Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. I'm here to tell you today about the Magicycle Deer Mini. Out of all the bikes that I've tested and reviewed on this channel, so far the Deer Mini is by far my favorite. It's got huge power, it's got a huge speed, love the way it handles, and right now Magicycle just sent me a discount code to share with you. You can get $200 off if you're looking for the Magicycle Deer Mini. I'm going to have that down in the description below and also tagged in the first comment. If you have any questions about the Deer Mini, reach out to me. I'd be happy to share with you my experience so far. But I tell you, I love this bike. You'll love it too. You can save $200 off right now. Use the link and the discount code down below. I'll catch you again real soon.